Today marks a historic moment in the journey of Scandron, and we are honored to have you all to share this milestone.
The last 2 years, what started as a concept and a vision to fit a particular niche in the market, there was a gap where we felt drones, logistics drones, would actually serve a really good purpose. And with that dream in mind, targeting the commercial industry as well as the defense industry, we embarked on a project to develop logistics drones, and we launched the Cargo Max series. We've been working with the DGCA for a little more than a year now to get the safety aspects in place, to get the operational aspects of the drones in place. And I'm proud to say that finally on 2nd February, we received type certification for the first, India's first logistics drone, which is type certified.
I came for this a big event for us, for definitely for India and for us. The thought process and the dreams that we have taken to achieve this milestone is a very, very big to the news today. So with that, I think the initial thought process was how long would it take and how much of this will take to invest and to make these dreams come true, right? So without backing and with the thought process, there should be a lot of courage to back the ideas of Arjuns and to be able to get this far. So I think we have proved the world that in the India that we should be able to do dream, achieve it, and all of the success for things have to the innovations that were being encouraged by the Indian government by way of Make in India and Made in India kind of concept, and the army trying to buy these things from us kind of thing. So those are the inspirations that we will be able to invest. And Magellan Cloud, I am the CEO and Managing Director for Magellan Cloud, which has invested into Scandron to be able to achieve this speed.
I think we always feel proud when we get our dreams fulfilled. And what we are looking for aerial excellence in the Indian industry. We want to see that how we can use this particular drone services and bring more and more capabilities into the industry. So I don't just want to take much around it, but thanks for coming. I'm very excited about this new launch and the new success step. And this is only first step, many more to come.
Definitely it's a milestone today. We have been seeing a lot of news in last 2-3 years where we have seen news people are doing some drone deliveries, delivering medicines, some of the flights which they have been achieving. But most importantly, those drones which they were doing those flights, those smaller flights, there were a lot of aspects which was not validated. Like we have a proper system of DGCA type certification where we are looking into what is the reliability of that drone, how many flights it can do, what is the safety measure which has to be taken into the account in doing all those kind of things. So it was definitely a lot of hard work of the team. Scandron team has worked day and night looking into all the aspects. It's a long journey to look into each and every smallest aspect of making sure that we have the reliability built into these drones, we have the safety built into these drones, and it is safe to operate in the environment where India is booming. We are having a lot of boom up having in the drone industry, and definitely it's a proud moment for all of us that we are the India's first type certified logistic drone. So not only it is our dream which has come to the reality, it is a dream of a lot of other companies, logistic companies who wanted to go ahead and do a lot of drone deliveries. I think we can also be supplemental to their growth now.
Yeah. This is a momentous occasion. I request all panelists to come forward. India's first type-certified logistics drone being delivered to critical ops. I'm sure we have many any questions brewing among us. Without further delay, we open the floor for questions. Please feel free to raise your hand and our team will.
So this is the Cargo Max 500 HE. This is India's first and only type certified logistics drone. The drone can carry anywhere from 2 kgs up to 7 kgs of payload for a distance of up to 30 kilometers. The drone has also been tested at high altitudes for the defense, where we can fly upwards of 4,000 meters to deliver cargo for them in winter in snowfall. And commercially, you will see this drone operating starting in Bangalore, Chennai and Bhubaneswar, and then over the next 2 years in about 160 cities.
I think now is today was the big launch event for us, successful moment for Scandron, and then as an investor, Majdani Cloud, M-Cloud has done to get this far. So this 5 kg payload to 7 kg payload is officially certified, DGCA certified drone, and we have army drones that we have already validated, verified, tested with them. So the trials has been finished and probably will be in the news in the future soon. So that's what the plan is, and commercially all the things are coming in line. Now with the India logistic policy, plus we are yet to make this momentum because we have been waiting on the type certification. Once this type certification is done, we will probably delivering 100 plus drones a month going forward. But that's going to be a moment where if it is a rural place, then it's easy. Now we need to do the roots testing, validation first. Then we have to plan the rest of the things. So that's what we'll be waiting on. But, now that we have not just India, we are eyeing on the closer countries and state cities that we are in the Middle Eastern region, in the Asian regions. All of these are very welcomed to promote the drone technology and the delivery. So not just over here, but there is a lot of motivation and drive for us. We are with the demand and things that are coming up, we are giving more and more to this.
Your good name, sir.